Supercat is a Jamaican DJ who achieved widespread popularity during the late 1980s and early 1990s dancehall movement. His nickname Wild Apache has given to him by his mentor Arlie B. Supercat is considered one of the greatest DJs in the history of the Jamaican dancehall scene. In 2012, his song Dance in a New York was sampled for Nas single The Dawn from the rapper's album Life is Good, with Cat adding vocals to the hook. Supercat made a surprise appearance at Massive B's on Da Reggae Tip concert in September 2013 during the set of Shaggy. That same week, a mix of his work previously recorded during his time with Da Neptune's label was released to the internet. In May 2014, he headlined the Reggae on the Bay festival in Trinidad. Supercat is the elder brother of reggae artist Junior Cat and first cousin of reggae singer Marcia Griffiths. He collaborated with India.Ari on her hit song video in 2001 and with Jadakiss and the Neptunes on The Dawn of Dawns in 2003. Also in 2003, he collaborated with 112 for their song Na 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 Na. He started his own Wild Apache Productions label and began producing his recordings, including the 1988 album Sweets for My Sweet. He featured on the album Kevin Stevin in 1991 along with Nicodemus and Junior Demus. He had been scheduled to perform at the One Love concert in the UK in 1991, but his appearance was cancelled after the shooting death of Nitty Gritty, for which Supercat was initially suspected but cleared in